In this chapter, we will take a tour along the Android information window, where you will get to know and fill in the fields for the Wild Animals application that you will publish on Google Play. If you intend to publish on Android, click on this button on the left side panel to start. The first piece of information to fill in is content classification, which will refer to the level of maturity with which you relate the audience of your app. Depending on whether it is aimed at a child, youth, adult, or suitable for all, select the most appropriate option. The section Views with Screenshots will allow you to select the images that will be shown in the file of your app in Google Play. It is mandatory to select at least 2 screenshots that will correspond to 2 views or modules. In my app, I will choose to capture lion, zebra, giraffe, and Twitter photos. Finally, you have the Consent section, where you must click both options, accepting both the content guidelines and US export laws. They are merely bureaucratic terms that, given legal issues or acceptance of conditions of the platform, you must accept yes or yes to be able to publish on Google Play.